How is it going today, people of the internet? I am back with a brand new tutorial for my drill editors out there, and it's the gunshot effect. It works in any editing software. So next time your mate pulls up like this, you ain't gotta go pew pew. You can hit them with a blow. I know it sounds ass, but I swear I used to have an amazing British accent. I swear on the ugly duckling, like it used to be good. I'll definitely I'll definitely keep I'll definitely keep working on it though. Shout out to the UK men them. Let's get active. We're in Premiere Pro and our track is on the timeline. First, we're gonna figure out where we want it to start. Right here, as his arm settles, is where I want to start. So I'm gonna put a mark on it to make my life easier. If you don't use markers, you definitely should instead of trying to edit from memory. Did that in my early days and I do not recommend. Next step is to grab your gunshot overlay. The link is down in the description if you want this exact one. You'll also see hundreds if you check YouTube though. So yeah, drag your clip on. Then in effect controls, you're gonna change your blend mode to screen. Now we've done that, I can tell where the gunshot starts because of the audio. So I'll just trim to the start. Alright, now if you want the sound effects, keep it. I don't need it, so I'm going to right click on link, then I'll delete. Okay, now our little marker will come in handy and I'll start the clip here. Cut off the butt, and now we're going to track the hand movement, and that's like easy work. I'm going to show you. First, we're going to bring the scale down, just eyeball it, whatever looks good to you. Now at the start of the clip, I'll start the keyframe on position. Move to where I see the first flash already in a good place. The second, not so much. So go to effect controls, tweak the position a little bit, then you do the same thing for the next few flashes. That will create keyframes. And that's it, we have no more flashes. What I like to do is go to effects and find lumetri color, add it on, and in effect controls you scroll down and open basic corrections. I'm just gonna bump the saturation up like crazy. It gives the gun flash more character to me. Play with the exposure a little bit, and yeah, I'm good with this. But it's still looking a bit flat, innit? For our next step, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple shake. You can totally skip this step, by the way. There's a free shake preset along with the gunshot overlay down in the description. So if you want both of them, it's yours. Also down in the descriptions is my 3D title pack. I know, shameless plug. If you never want to worry about making titles or even text that makes you stand out from everybody else, then you should definitely check it out. Use code MOON10 and get 10% off. Now back to the tutorial. Right click, new item, then adjustment layer. We want this adjustment layer to be 6 frames long. So I'll make a cut here, move 6 frames forward, then chop the rest like so. We want half on our clip and the other half on the overlay. Now we're gonna go to effects and grab the transform effects. Go to effect controls and change the shutter angle to 120. That's where we'll get our motion blur. Now at the beginning of the clip, create a keyframe on scale and we're going to change the value to 150. Move the playhead to the end of the adjustment layer and take it back to 100. We'll easy ease that, select both keyframes, right click, then pick ease in. Now we're going to make a new keyframe on position right at the beginning of our clip, and we're going to move the x axis or the x value to the left just enough where we don't see the black. If you see the black bar, then you've done too much. Move a keyframe forward and move it to the other side. No black bars. At the middle, I want it centered again like so. Move one keyframe forward and you move it just a little bit. And congrats on your simple shake. It gives the video way more life. It already looks okay, but I'm just going to select all the keyframes and ease in. If you want, you could play around with all these, but F that noise, man. I'm happy, I'm content, and we're done with the tutorial. And there you go, a gunshot effect, perfect for your next music video. I was going to try the accent again, but I'm pretty tired of embarrassing myself. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, will you at least consider it? Maybe, who knows? So yeah, that's it. Oh, see you in the next one, chief. I think that was Australia. I mean, what?